Hello, in this video I will tell you how to find the license agreement for the installed version of Windows. To find this, just simply follow these simple steps. On a computer, press Window plus R button and type C colon forward slash Windows slash system 32 forward slash en dash us forward slash license slash underscore default and press enter. You can see on your computer there is a folder of professionals. Just open by double click. You can see the Windows file is named license. Just click double and open, and you can see your Windows license agreement is opened. Just wait. And you can read your entire document. Thanks for watching.